You see them everywhere. Certified pre-owned this and certified pre-owned that. Well, at Truck and Trailer, we feel you deserve better. Much better. That's why our certified pre-owned vehicles are the highest quality used vehicles on the market today. We individually select trucks and vans that are late year model with low miles. Our certified pre-owned buyers expect the highest possible standards, and that means that your next vehicle must go through rigorous inspections along with extensive maintenance and have a vehicle history report. You want your used vehicle to be just short of being new and with warranty protection as soon as you drive away, right? Come on in and take a test drive in one of our certified pre-owned, warranty protected, road ready, or new FUSO gas-powered trucks located on the north side of East I-240 between exits 8 and 9, or visit us online at truckandtrailer.com.